Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for a Michael's haul. Let me go ahead and show you a few things that I got, and then I actually have another bag, you guys. It's a Michael's grab bag, which is what I really wanted to show you. But did you know that during this time, during social distancing, that Michael's will bring your stuff out to you? So they do a curbside, which is really cool. You just pick them up, tell them what your car looks like, and then they bring it out to you. So I got this little coffee cup. It's pure white, but I'm going to do some cricketing on it. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to show you. It's going to be very simple, but if you got some basic cricket stuff, let me know. We'll get that for you. And let me see. This is what I wanted, what I needed, and this is called Waterslide Paper, and it is kind of like the old tattoos. Remember we used to put like a tattoo and put water on it and then it would just slide off? That's what this is. It's kind of expensive. You only get 4 sheets. It is transparent, but it's like 11 bucks. So make sure you use your coupon, which you still can use even with that curbside pickup. And then we're gonna try and make some churros. So I got this little decorating tip. I don't know if it'll work or not. It could have been just a waste of $1.99, but we'll see. And guess what they have in the front? I was able to see it through the door because they always keep these right as soon as you walk in. I know, I wanted to show you how full it is. This is a Michael's grab bag. Now they were $5. So, but let me go ahead. I'm going to get some scissors and we're going to open this up. And every single one of them are the same because my cousin got one too. So, and when I say the same, I don't know if it's the same stuff, but it's definitely St. Patrick's Day stuff. So, but there's some cute stuff. Look, the bag costs $5. I've already gone ahead and made that money back because this is $5.99. So we've got some St. Patrick's Day treat bags, and look at that. It's got those great clips that, you know, I love the laundry clips. Clothespins. And there's 12 bags in there. I'm going to put this off to this side. And then, I mean, I'm going to be set for next year. This is table scatter. And this is just so darn cute. Look at these. It says Lucky on it. There's some other ones. I mean, hello, we're going to be able to make some cute DIY stuff next year. So, I don't know about you, but I keep bags by seasons. So when I take out a bag, it has all my St. Patrick's Day or my Easter stuff. It's just a matter of, look how cute these are. It's just a matter of remembering to pull it out. That's the problem. So I got those. They're little cat ears. These can be used at any time. I'm saying that is really cute. What else do we have? We've got a St. Patrick's Day skirt. A little tutu there. That'll be fun. So fun. Let's see what else. All right, we've got some socks. These say pinch proof on them. We've got some other socks. These are so adorable. They're knee highs, and they say Lucky with a clover on them. We've got a bow that you just pop right on to anything. It looks like it's a hair clip. That is cute. Oh, we've got some more ears. Look at that. How cute is this? This is adorable. And I think you could probably take these off and make it for all year if you wanted to. If you're crafty, you can do stuff with all of this, right? That's what, we have plenty of time to make stuff out of all this stuff. This is a big scarf here. It's got some clovers on there. And it is over 70 inches by 23 inches. This is a huge, look at that. That is huge. What else do we have? More table scatter. We've got some little coins. Oh, look it. Now this is going to make its way into an Easter basket, I'm sure. Oh, it lights up. How cute is that? Okay, I got to shut off these lights real quick. There you go. How does that work? Oh, there you go. Okay, I know you guys are like, get back onto the stuff. Okay, let's get back to it. What is this? We've got a nickel-free St. Patrick's Day necklace. And then I pull this out and I'm sure it's gonna, nope. Oh, it needs to turn on. There we go. I'm gonna turn that back off. I'll stick this back in there. Well, I'll do it another time. Because I think I probably shouldn't have taken it out if I wasn't gonna use it. Oh my goodness. You know, poor Michaels. We all went into quarantine and weren't able to use any of this stuff. So they've got just all these bags, right? Oh yes. I am set for next year. We will party next year like we didn't get to this year. Look at that pinch-proof button. This is like St. Patrick's Day in a bag, right? We've got more beads. This one has this guy on it, which, there we go. So fun. More beads, more beads. This one has a ton of beads with a bunch of buttons. So we've got 45 pieces, 15 tattoos, 15 pins, and then 15 necklaces. That's a party in a bag right there. All right, that's fun. What's this? St. Patrick's Day scrunchies. Hello. These are not just St. Patrick's Day. These are going to be making their way out for Christmas, I believe. All right, look at that. That's fun. And then we've got some bracelets, pinch proof, shenanigans, and lucky, and then some 4-leaf clovers there. And then we've got one more thing in here, and it is a shirt. This is a youth, so this will be going to the grandkids. Oh, definitely going to my grandson. He loves dinosaurs. And it says here for the shenanigans. That is super cute. I'm just going to take that right off. How cute is that? And that was only $5, you guys, for a full grab bag. So I hope you like it. All right. That was fun. I love grab bags. And you guys, I just want to pick this up yesterday, which was Friday. So they usually put their grab bags out on Mondays, but nobody's going into the stores. So you have to only be able to know that they have them. So check, ask them. Maybe they still have some at your store. Alrighty. I will talk to you later. I hope you guys have a wonderful Saturday. Stay safe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.